Hi, welcome to Power Bar Women's Fitness. My name is Teresa Saffold, also known as T, and I'm here to tell you some common answers to the most common questions that we get here at Power Bar Fit regarding pole dancing. So one of the very first questions that we get, or first rebuttals, and the most common apprehension in starting pole is I weigh too much and I need to lose a few pounds before I come and get on the pole, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to get my body up the pole in the weight class that I'm in. So I would like to encourage you first that no, you do not need to lose weight before you come and take a pole class. And here's why, okay? Because no matter if you are physically fit, no matter if you go to the gym every single day and you have muscles galore, let me explain to you that it is a systematic process in pole, and you have to condition your muscles and your body to react to the movements that are taught. So it is a technique-based platform of fitness more than it is a strength component in the beginning. You're going to understand and learn when you come to your first sections of classes on grip, on body and muscle engagement, on muscle endurance, and guess what? You're also going to condition. If you are going to a studio that requires you on your first visit to climb the poles, that might be a little bit more advanced. At Power Bar Women's Fitness, what we do is we welcome all beginners, no matter what your background in fitness is, and we stage the process systematically in steps, starting with conditioning. So that means that anybody, if you're in the 200 range, if you're in the lower 300 range, our poles do hold up to 325 pounds of weight. And even if you fall outside of that, there are other classes here that we use that are mimicking what you would do on the pole, and you can do those without the use of the pole, such as our twerk classes, which we call power buns. We also offer our signature floor and core class, which is all done on the floor in a very safe environment. We also do our chair fitness class, and then we have some other classes that you will touch the pole, you just won't leave the floor. All right, so those are definitely some options for you to come in, stop making excuses, stop waiting for the perfect time, because we all know there's no perfect time to get started with working on ourselves. Get started today. You don't go into a marathon already knowing how to run a marathon. You have to condition on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and it's a lifestyle process that is changed in small steps. So do not be discouraged if you are afraid that your weight will hinder you from being successful in pole, because that is not true. So I'd like to see everybody at the bar. All right, so if you are in the Dallas and Fort Worth area, we are Power Bar Women's Fitness. We have 4 locations in the Metroplex, and you can find our class schedule at www.powerbarfit.com. So make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this and education on pole fitness and pole dancing. Tell your friends, bring your mom, bring your coworkers, and come to